it was a very impromptu thing. We asked Mrs. Ambani that we want to create a unique collection with Swadesh. What do you think? She was like, yes, absolutely. And we created some amazing Kanjivarams and Banarasi brocade, and we've woven our monogram in it and given it a sort of a limited edition look, which is one of a kind.
आपने कलेक्शन में आपने नीता अंबानी और ईशा अंबानी पे भी बनाया था, वो भी बहुत ग्लोबल ट्रैक्शन बहुत था, जानने के लिए नहीं बहुत, तो उससे कैसे इंस्पायर, मतलब क्या आपने?
I think इंडिया में इतना इंस्पिरेशन है, you just keep on getting inspired and it's so nice to have so much to look around and get inspired.
I love Falguni Sheen Peacock. I feel comfortable in their clothes and I love the fitting that they give me each time, and both of them are such love, and I hope I have a long-term relationship with them.
So what's your fashion mantra?
Be comfortable, be carefree, be playful, and just be you.
Do you take airport look pressure?
No, I don't. I'm not one of those superstars who will go all decked up. I don't think that's real me, and I like to keep fashion game in a real space. So you'll just find me walking in joggers with my hair fully messed up, no makeup and all. And that's me.
You walked with Vicky.
Yes.
He is your co-star in Chhaava.
Yes.
What do you have to say about the film, if you can reveal something?
We have had a blast shooting for Chhaava, and we've been keeping Chhaava as a very hush-hush because we want to package it beautifully for all of you. But I've had a blast working with Vicky, and today I'm walking with Vicky, which made it all the way more special. And we have something really exciting for you to look forward to.
The traditional work which people are doing, which is dying out, and they're just uplifting it and saying, okay, Quinn, go ahead, and we are there to support you. I think they're doing a fabulous job.
You guys also customize outfits for Neeta Ambani and Isha Ambani during Anand Ambani's wedding, which was a global attraction.
Thank you.
सब देख रहे थे, बहुत आउटफिट की तारीफ, जानवी कपूर भी नहीं और भी नीता अंबानी, तो कैसे ज्वेल्स से था, स्टोन्स था?
So, I mean, so for NMACC we had done for Rashmika. We had made actually a real jewel piece, and then we made a real jewel piece for even Janvi Kapoor, and I think that went viral. I think so. Everyone wanted it. I got so many requests to make that, and we dressed Anand, we dressed Isha, we dressed Mrs. Ambani for the wedding. I think it's just doing good work is most important, I think, and that's what we strive for. Falguni and myself, we want to bring something different to the collection. So we said, okay, in the end, normally everyone ends it with the bridal. We wanted to end it with westernized take on Indian bridal. So we did a lot of crystal work in sequence, where you saw a swan lehenga, you saw a pichwai, you see horses on the lehengas.